Today we will learn a new sound. It's W sound. In this video we will learn formation and action for W sound. We will listen to a song. We will learn some words with W sound and we will do some activities together. So let's start. Let's do the action together. Blow onto your open hands as if you are the wind, saying W, W, W. Let's write W sound together. Put your finger up and say down, up, down and up. Now listen to the song and do the action.
I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong.
And now it's time to learn some words start with W sound. We have wall, wall, window, window, wagon, wagon, well, well, web, web, wind, wind. And now it's activity time. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
W, b, web. W, win. W, g, wig. W, t, wet. W, l, will. W, t, wait. W, l, well. W, d, weed. W, g, wag.
Click the pictures that begin with W sound. We have watermelon, watch, wolf, web, window. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.